So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to swap BTC or Bitcoin to Solana on your Phantom wallet. So here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. First, you need to access your Phantom wallet. It's either on your web browser or even on your mobile device. And after that, just simply click the swap icon right here. Once you click on it, you will redirect to this page, which is under the You Pay and You Receive. We are going to change it into Solana and the BTC as well. So, in this case, we have Solana right here at UPay, and we are going to change the Bitcoin, or we are going to change the You Receive section into Bitcoin. We have to click on this and search for the BTC or Bitcoin. And once we click on that, since we are going to switch or swap BTC into Solana, we are just going to click this icon for it to revert. So after that, you just have to tender the amount of how much wrap BTC in Solana network, of how much you wanted to transfer or convert it into Solana. And after that, it will automatically convert or swap your Bitcoin into Solana.